Hi, I'm Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. GluBoost has just come out with a new version of their fill and finish in black. It's a pore filler and finisher all in one, great for inlay work, repair, finish restoration, and probably a lot of other things I haven't even mentioned. Let me show you one thing I use it for in my shop. So here I have a classical guitar on my bench. We just got done doing the fret work. There's always a little gap underneath the fret wire and the bottom of the slot, the fret slot. So since this just happens to be an ebony fretboard, I'm going to use the GluBoost Black Fill and Finish as my weapon of choice for filling the gap. I'm using the whip tip that just installs right on top of the bottle here. This allows me to strategically place a little drop of the fill and finish exactly where I need it. I start by just putting a little dab there and letting it sink in, and I'll come in and add another drop or two on each one. At the same time, this is allowing me to glue the end of the fret down. So it's dual purpose. Not only am I filling the void, but I'm also filling the gap and gluing the fret. Now, working above the sound hole can get you into trouble in a hurry. And that is where the whip tip really shines, allowing me to put the fill and finish right where I want it. After I apply a little bead along there, I come in with the GluBoost accelerator. And I'll come in and put another light little bead. So once you get the coverage you need, you can come in with a file and level it, and then finish it off with a little bit of sandpaper. So everything is level, the void is filled, you're now ready to go to your finish work. And you have a nice level surface to do that on.